Okay, the week of Apple upgrades are continuing today. I just got off from work and I got my 2020 M1 Macbook Air, and we're going to put the newest macOS on it, which is Sonoma 14.0. Came out, end of last week. Today is September 29th, 2023. So I'm going to show you how to get it, how to put it on, and what it looks like when we get done. So y'all stay with us. Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. All right, Apple upgrades, been doing them, phones, iPads, watches, TVs. Now we're going to do the M1 Macbook Air. It's my 2020 model, 16 gig, 1 terabyte. It does all the heavy lifting here. I'm a little bit leery on upgrading it, but we'll make it happen. So let's drop down to my desktop and we'll show you how to do it and hopefully not make any mistakes in the process. All right, so here I am on my macOS desktop. Let me go ahead and empty my trash while I'm there and get it going. All right, we need to go up here to System Settings. So hit your Apple menus, System Settings, and we are showing one software update available right here. And what we have macOS Sonoma 14.0, 6.44 gigs, and it tells you in this list, and I will add this list to the video down in the description. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure before you do this, you have a Time Machine backup, Backblaze, whatever backup software you use. Right now I'm using Synology Business Backup, but make sure you have your machine backed up because you don't want to kill it and not be able to restore it. Unless you're one of those people that just like doing that, which I am, but my machine's backed up in 2 different places, so we're good to go. So I'm going to hit upgrade now. You're going to agree to the license agreement. Put your password in. And it's going to download macOS Sonoma 14.0, which I said it was 6.44 gigabytes. So depending on your internet connection, it may take a little while. So whenever it gets done downloading, I'll come right back. It's actually showing 7.70 gigabyte. That's kind of odd. It says about 24 minutes. We'll come back when it gets there. All right, 7.7 gigs. Preparing macOS Sonoma 14.0. 30 minutes remaining. Wow. So this is a big update. I do have a fast machine, but it's a big update. So I'm sure when it gets done preparing, it'll go ahead and tell me you got 10 seconds to install or install later. So we'll let it run here and see. That took about 25 minutes to get it downloaded. I don't know why it took so long, but maybe the Apple servers are slow. But anyway, I'll go ahead and let this prepare and we'll get started. And I think that gives me enough time to go cook supper. So we'll be right back. Okay, it finished everything up. Another 22 minutes or something. It's finished downloading and got the upgrade ready. So I'm going to go ahead and hit upgrade now. Put my password in. And it will now restart and I will go away. We'll be back when it gets done. Okay, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. Having to record off my phone until I get the capture card back up. As you can see, this has got a totally different lock screen and it comes up with a brand new desktop. It looks really clean. That's one thing I can say about it. It's Still waiting on it to finish, but there it is. There's our title bar. Sorry about my dog. Let me go ahead and start copying capturing my desktop again. Okay, all in all, that took less than an hour, or about right at an hour. It's actually showing now that, oh, it's got a, wow, that's really cool right there. It's got an icon up top where you can click on OBS and it shows everything. That's cool looking. Click wallpaper to show desktop items. Sounds all still the same. Networking's all the same. Control center. You got stage manager, music, focus. All that looks good. Notifications and whatnot. Now I've found out you can put all kind of widgets like you can on the iPad and iPhone, and you can actually move your iPhone and iPad widgets to your desktop here, which looks really good. We'll go to About This Mac. M1 2020 MacBook Air, M1 16 gigs, Sonoma 14.0. So yeah, it's 14.0. Okay, looks like everything went just like it was supposed to. Like I said, it took about an hour total. The install went really quick. I was really pleasantly surprised. Our control center, our system settings and all look about the same. It's supposed to be a lot of new wallpapers and stuff. Yep, we got a lot of new wallpapers and screensavers. Can't wait to check those out. And widgets. Supposed to have a lot of widgets like you do on the iPad, and yes you do. So we'll be able to add widgets to the desktop and make it hopefully a lot more user-friendly. So like if I want a battery widget for my mouse, keyboard, MacBook, and if I had my AirPods here, that would show right there. So that is some neat stuff. I'm gonna run through this tonight and see how it does. But anyway, if you got any questions, any comments, leave them down there in the bottom, and I'll reply to every question and every comment the best I can. But yeah, it looks really clean, really neat. And that's what I like about a Mac. It just works and everything is clean on it. It's not like crazy windows back there. So yeah, if you have put your Mac through this, let me know how it's went, good or bad. I'd like to know. And leave me a comment. Tell me where you are and if you've done this. But anyway, hope you get something out of this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And if you're over on Rumble, do the same thing. But I hope everybody's had a great week and enjoying all the upgrades and not going through too much trauma with them. But anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.